Hi, this is Kevin with KGM Jam, owner of Pro Advertisers Club. Totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com and join for free today and start advertising for free. Okay, I have fixed one problem and replaced it with 5 others. And the good news is with me finally admitting I'm going to need to rent because I really wanted to just buy cards and rent out. I didn't want to spend the DEC from my rentals to renting other cards because I wanted to build my asset, and I got into that mind frame, and I just broke it a couple days ago, as you saw in my videos, with nice results. Okay, Silver won. This morning, I got up and started batting. I lost my last one because I battle till I lose, but I won 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 wins in a row. 10, 11. So I won a lot this morning and went right up into Silver 1, which is great. Now, the problem that's arose is I'm running out of DEC because I'm having to pull rentals out to get my power. Anybody who's been playing the game will know exactly what I'm talking about, is that everything affects everything. So now I'm starting late in the season to figure out the rental. So the new season, by then I will have a nice new strategy, and I will rent accordingly and be in better position to get into gold. I think I can get into gold before, but I'm going to run out of DEC and cards to rent. So can I stay in gold? Because you want to keep for the rewards, and it's still 5 days to go, and I might not even have enough DEC to stay in Silver 1 before things just get too expensive to rent, which means then you lose all that cards that got you there. So anyway, it's a thing. But anyway, let's go ahead and do the quest, the rewards. And I think I'm going to get 3 or 4 chests this time. I think I got 3 yesterday in Silver 2. And of course, in Silver, you get DEC. I get 4. So you get DEC instead of credit. So let's see what we get here. Oh, nice card. 2 cards. All cards today. Nice. And 7 dark energy. Okay. Fantastic. So that's the difference in Silver and compared to bronze. You're going to get just a lot more stuff. Gold will be even better, but I got to figure a way how to get up into it and stay in it. And so I've been buying a lot with my $10. Well, let's go look at the numbers. And they're awful. It's blood in the streets. Splinterlands 10,000, not sponsored by Splinterlands. It's something I'm doing on my own. Today's the 11th. Let me fix that. Here's the rules I go by. Tomorrow I will be putting in $10. Actually, I'm going to do it today for SPS reasons, because you get free SPS on your PowerPoints. But I've been putting in $10, and I've been buying maxed out cards, reward cards, which is good. I mean, it's almost like you can mess up everything, but at the same time you can't, because it's not like getting stuck with the maxed out reward card's a bad thing, because then you got all the PowerPoints and the investment value when things do come back. But I haven't checked, but maxed out rewards might be under $5 by the time things get done falling. But anyway, here's my numbers. I started recording February 7th. Just pause it if you want to study it. And I've changed my strategy maybe a good 5 times since I've started. And that's why the PowerPoints kind of drop back. And let's get all the way to current today. And this is actually the 11th. I put the 10th again. Let me fix that also. So I lost $50 in asset value since last night, just by the market value. That's a huge bump. 147 Cards 4407. I did not sell a card. What happened was I combined it. I burned it. 117 460 powered. That's a new record, and there will be another one record tomorrow because I'm going to be able to put in my $10. My free SPS has plummeted another $5, and a record low, by the way, on the SPS. So in just 2 days, I've lost 90% of my value, or 75% of my value. It's ugly, and it's ugly everywhere. I don't know if you watch George. I'm George. You're George. He kind of surprised me yesterday when he admitted his main bag was Luna, and because he always preaches 50% at least minimum of Bitcoin, but Luna dropped from 93 days ago down to $13 the last time I checked, which is what? That's a good buying opportunity. But there's some scary stuff going on with Luna and USDT. And so I don't know if that's going to survive. That guy's throwing billions of dollars at it every day, trying to get it to stabilize. It's unpegged. It's ugly, but it's ugly everywhere. And I don't know where the bottom is. I mean, people are starting to panic now. And when that happens, that's the worst thing that can happen, because now panic overtakes reason. And if you got cash on hand, you're going to have probably some of the greatest buying opportunities you'll ever see in your lifetime. And I'm talking everything from the house and market's going to blow. And I'm saying that because I DoorDash, I Uber, I Dolly, I do them all pretty much, whatever's kicking at the time. And all I've seen in the last 2 weeks is for sell signs going up on houses. That's panic selling, because prices are sky high right now on houses. That's really the only thing that hasn't collapsed yet. And so people are going to think, well, if I don't sell it now, because once it plummets, you're stuck in that house again. I don't know, because where are you going to move if you sell it, unless you sell it before the prices plummet. So we're in a time right now where this isn't Splinterland's fault. This is the world economy is collapsing right before our eyes. And again, so buy low, sell high, hodl. And right now, we're in strong hold. I know you want to sell, you want to panic sell, but now the only exception to that I believe could be Luna. Luna could be on its way out. If that guy can't come up with another couple $1 billion, the state, it's complex. Who knows what's going to be standing at the end of all this? That's why I like to invest in strong IPs. Now, Splinterlands isn't a new IP, or it's not an old IP. It's a new one, so it's kind of a risk, but it's a very good, stable platform. I believe it's going to survive this, and it's going to get even better. It's just now, if you got, like I said, if you got extra cash, hell, if you got time and you ain't got money, go Uber, go DoorDash, go do something, make some extra cash, and buy some of these incredibly. They're giving the stuff away right now, as far as I'm concerned, and it might even get worse or better depending on which side of it you are. But you don't want to get caught in the panic selling, because that's when you really do lose money. If you weather it and you're looking on paper how much money you've lost, and you wait for it to come back, you never lost that money. It's just you only lose your money when you sell it or make money. That's the only two times you make money. Now, you can also argue you make money when you buy something. In a way, that's true. That's when you have the most opportunity, because the upside is just tremendous. I'm not a financial advisor. Listen to your own risk. This is for entertainment purposes only. And here's the. Let's see if it's gone down even further. This is from last night, and it's accelerated since last night. But anyway, so everything looks good. I got 15 more PowerPoints because of the cards I just won and all that. I think I have a comment that I wanted to read. Yeah, right here. Lapsus Olio, I'm sorry if I mispronounced your name. If you are in silver, I recommend renting L4 Mylar, L2 Mycelia, and L5 Feld Summoner. Mycelia gets amplified on L2, so Mylar Thorns will reflect magic from Feld Summoner, or Minotaur Warlord would do 3 thorns, reflect damage instead of 2. Thank you for that advice. I'm going to research that. And I know you're probably absolutely right. The problem now is I got to watch and budget my rental money so I don't run out before the end of the season. Um, I might try to just rent. If you try to rent for the entire 5 days, that really sucks out your DC. So I just got to come up with a strategy and pick and choose my battles right now. And I'm going to have to start buying these cards and upping them so I don't have to use them, rent them. And that at least would always keep me up in the silver 1 till I can get even more powerful. Uh, it's fun. I love strategy games, and this is even the financial side of it is like a game, a big strategy game, and I love it. It's a lot of fun. Okay, that's it for today. I got to go. I'm going to try to get into gold tonight. I didn't get to play it all last night, so I did all this morning. And if you will, please like and subscribe. Leave any comments if you have answers or questions. And if you haven't joined yet, join the link below. It helps me out if you end up putting any money in, like buying packs or buying the spell book, where you can play for free, or just watch other YouTubers and watch this. I'm trying to have a record. The good thing that I'm showing now is whoever looks at this a year from now will see when things were going kind of good, and then how things got bad, and then how things got good again, and and that way they can see how to weather it. And because what's the one thing I'm not doing here? I'm not panic selling. In fact, if I sell it, it's just because it's a profit involved, which there's nothing right now you can sell for a profit that I know of. And then see me how it comes back, how the power of hodling will overcome all evil. So, okay, that's it. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.